Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I made of about 661 Zambian kwacha, which is $25 in the past 30 days. So the method I'm about to show you, it's a method that I've actually shared, I think that was 4 or 5 years ago, and even up to now it still works. So this method I'd only used it once in that same year when I made the review video, but today I've come back to it because I definitely need to make some money. So this website is no other than into influence. So I'm going to summarize just about what this is, but otherwise what you should do is head over to my website, in YouTube, simply search for how to make money on Instagram. Then simply add K3 at the end. When you add K3 at the end, it means you're going to make sure that you actually see my content that I've made and like seeing content from many people. So this is the video I made. Actually, it was 3 years ago. Okay, on how I made this $69. I don't think it's $69. I think it was less or more. I've forgotten. Yeah, but now let's get back to into influence. So into influence is simply a marketplace. So it connects um an influencer and the brand. Okay, in short, it connects people who have got social media presences with a bit of followers and companies that want to pay uh, these people to promote their products or their services. So what people do is they simply contact companies or companies they contact you asking you to promote their stuff. But when it comes to Zambia, like it's not that easy to actually get a company to promote their stuff through you unless you really have a lot of followers. Yeah. But otherwise it's actually a good thing. But if this is when you're starting out like a small influencer, you don't have thousands of followers, it's a good starting point. I'm going to show you why it's actually a good starting point. So with this platform, you're not only going to make money using Instagram, you're going to make money through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, every social media platform that you have. You'll be able to make money with it. That's the good part. Yeah. So now let's get started. So if I head over to my dashboard, you can see that in the last 30 days, okay, I've applied to 4 job offers. Not really job, let me say promotion offer, something like that. Okay, and one was accepted. Okay, I applied to 6, 3 of them I'm in the wait list. Then in the last 30 days, I've actually made $25. Okay, which is yet to be processed, I think first week of next month. So $25 is the one which I just showed you right now that is actually about 600 kwacha, and I'm going to be paid this, I think should be next week or the week after. So now how is money made here? Well, I've already explained about how money is made, but first things first, what you should do is that simply I'll include the link to this platform in the description. Simply visit the link and create an account. But here is the important thing. What you should do is when you create an account, go to my profile. So when you go to your profile, what you need to do is click on edit profile. When you edit profile, make sure that you add all your social media presences. Okay, I think it would be better for you to use a computer. If you don't have one, try going to a cafe or ask your friend who's got a computer to be much easier. So as for me, I've added my Facebook account, I've added my Instagram account, my LinkedIn, my website, my TikTok, and my YouTube. So I've got 2 YouTube channels, and the total amount of followers is 53,000. Wow, this is good. Yeah, but one thing you should pay attention is if you can really pay attention, you can see that here is showing United States and instead of Zambia. Okay, some of you might know the reason why I put South Africa here. Oh, the reason why I put United States instead of Zambia is because who the hell is going to look for influencers in Zambia all the way from USA or all the way from UK? Okay, unless if I was from South Africa, I can say I can simply put South Africa there because at least Yeah, South Africa is a bit known, not even a bit known, it's really a recognizable country, it's very known everywhere. So I put United States so that I can be having a lot of offers to participate in, and it actually works. You don't need to use any VPN, you don't need anything else. Okay, so I've added all this stuff. Okay, I've also added some of my photos, my Facebook pages, my links, the badges. So trusted influencer, trusted blogger. Okay, wow. So I've actually made a total of $164. Yeah, $164 from Intel Influence. So as I said earlier on, I'd only used Intel Influence for a year. That was 3 years ago. Since then, had stopped. I started focusing on other things, but I'm now back. And now that I'm back, I should be able to make more than this. I should maybe probably try to give myself a challenge and try to make, let us say, $1,000 by next year. Yeah. So if you need more help, if you need more step-by-step guidance, you can contact me and I can help you set up everything. Although I'm going to charge a fee, but I'll definitely help you with everything and also guide you further on how you can do things properly. But I think before I end the video, let's do one more job offer together. So what you do is you go to Marketplace. This is where you're going to find some offers that you can choose. So the offers they're going to show you how much money you're going to make. So for example, let us say I'm going to choose this one here. So it's saying I'm going to get paid $100 cash upon completion of campaign. So let us check how much this is in kwacha. $100. Okay, so this should be like a 2.6 in Zambian kwacha. So this job offer here, let me click on it. We'll see what they're asking us to do. So, okay, so they're saying the campaign goal is a video review on Instagram. Well, that's simple. I can make a video review on Instagram. Say about us, daily dose of delightful discovery, 5 random facts, button up a day. Okay. So they're saying that we first need to install an app. So they put an app on the iPhone store, the Android store. So let us see what this app is. So they're asking us we should install the app, use it a bit, then now make a review. And the review should be posted on Instagram. And we should include this link. Then they've got the posting do's and the posting don'ts. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to click on join the wait list. Okay. Then I'm simply going to write something shorter like I can do this. Yeah, but I don't think it's a good uh message. But I think I don't know, she's shorter and short to the point, so I'll click on apply. So when I click on apply, all I need to do is simply wait to be actually offered. So it's saying the campaign is on fire and has received this maximum number of applications, but don't worry, I've put you on the waiting list. Yeah, usually it may say so, but will definitely be on the list. I've actually seen that, yeah. Sometimes it shows back spam, but you'll be on the list because there are people who apply to do this stuff, but maybe they get busy or they just forget, they end up not doing it, so they'll give to you. So don't get discouraged, simply keep having hope and you'll definitely do it. Yeah. So $100 plus $25, that should be 125. So hopefully maybe by next month I should make something like this to be good. So now when it comes to payments are made via PayPal. So I think that's another topic of which I've already made videos about it. Okay, simply contact me and yeah, I'll help you from there. But for now, this is Keith.